This is the video quality of the Panasonic S5 standard profile hand holding 20mm. The same focal view of the DJI Pocket 2. How good is the video quality? Let me just go from here. So yeah, Panasonic S5 20mm. How good is the video quality? I think I'm a little bit underexposed, isn't it? Let me just check the exposure. I think now better, right? So yeah, Panasonic S5. Let's come here. The vehicle is coming up here. Look, wait. Osmo, no, DJI Pocket 2 wireless mic with the handle, dual handle. I'm just used at the 20mm ultra wide. How good is the video quality? You need to be the judge. I'm using this lab. If I bring it to my mouth, as you can see how good is the video quality. You need to be the judge. So now this is the with the electronic VR. This 1.1 crop, so the 20mm become electronic 2mm. How good is the video quality? How good I am. This is the Panasonic S5, autofocus speed +5, sensitivity -0, IBIS only, no electronic stabilization. I am using the one area only on my face. I hope so it's locking it on my face. Let's see how good it is. Okay, IBIS only. I also is keeping me in focus. Let's hope so. This is the video quality of the Osmo Pocket without the ultra wide lens. I'm using the tilt lock function. How good is the video quality of the Osmo Pocket 2? It's not Osmo, it's DJI Pocket 2. For last 2 years I'm using the Osmo Pocket 1. I love the name Osmo. I do not understand why DJI dropped the name Osmo. So this is the video quality. How good is the stabilization? Now I'm using the electronic stabilization, but I have turned the speed to +3 and sensitivity to speed to +5 and sensitivity to +3, and I'm using the 1+ area with human detection on. Okay, I hope so it's locking on. I really hope so it's locking on. For example, I can show something here and then get back to me. I hope so the autofocus is locking on. Let's hope so.